guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix could not load common event logging library release.dll problem. So first of all, you have to just open your laptop or PC settings. So after this, you have to just find here apps or the apps and the features option here and tap to open it. After this, just search here for C++ and you will find the different apps here about C++. Basically, you have to just click on one and then click on the modify, and this type of the pop-up will open for you. Here you have to just click on the repair option. After doing so, your setup will start repairing, and this process may take a while. You have to be patient, and after completing this, then click on the close. After doing so, just click on the next option and then click on the modify and repair it. And basically, you have to just repeat this process for all these C++ Microsoft Visual apps. After completing this process, you have to just restart your PC one time. After restarting your PC, this problem will be fixed automatically. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.